Welcome to my eating vlog series where I'm eating Dungeness crabs. So first off, you gotta have some sauce. I have 2 in this case, and some veggies and a carbonated drink. I'm drinking strawberry Fanta. Yeah, this is the best part. I don't know if it's like the guts or whatever, but you add some rice and sauce to it. It's so good. Highly recommend. And y'all, if y'all eating crabs, you gotta eat it like this. You can't be pretty with it. You gotta get all fingers dirty. You have to be dripping some juice. You gotta have some crab meat on the side of your lips. That's the way to do it. You gotta get all up in there. Make sure you get every meat in there. It's so yummy. I love eating this. And gotta dip some cucumbers into your sauce and just get dirty with it.